Hi everyone, in this video I want just to show something different. I use sometimes this technique, oil sketch, and this is not uh, everyone use it, but I think this is pretty cool and easy to understand and to follow the steps. So I just use one color. If in this case for sketching, I use only raw umber, and I see the whole big picture and just start making a big mess of paint, um, like you see. Uh, so there is no color mixing or anything else. I just want to see the big head, the big picture. And I makes it exist before I add anything else. So this video is more focusing on the big picture and value and values and drawing. And this is really fun to paint like this. And then I add some lines, some features, just what I see in the photo, my photo, the reference, and just the big shapes, and just want to the placements be right and the value somehow right. We're probably going darker and lighter. I would recommend also practicing this technique is really benefit and really relaxing. When you paint, you don't care so much about the drawing in the beginning. It's so much about the mixing the colors, which is challenging for everyone. You just see the whole big pictures and make it exist before doing anything else. And adding eyes, nose. I mean the shapes of eyes and the nose and mouth. And the hairline, now I'm also focusing on the drawing and adding another value just for the hair. It's darker than the shape of the face. You come along with only maybe two values or three values actually to make the whole portrait exist, and adding very carefully other values to darken down or lighten up the sh shapes you see that there are lighter and darker. We are not focusing on details at all in this short video. Straight lines, composition, and values, and also drawing. Now I add the highlight, the lightest light on the face. I also recommend you use earthy colors like Raw Umber, brown and greenish, that is close to nature, to earth colors for the imprimatura or underpainting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video.